Hi guys,
Hi,
I'm Sid.
I'm Connor.
Welcome back, or welcome to my channel. Right now, we are doing videos back to back on Christmas. So, Merry Christmas to those who celebrate, and
Happy holidays.
Happy Holidays, and
Happy Kwanzaa. Happy Hanukkah. I forgot the holidays.
and have a happy, wonderful Wednesday as well.
It's Wednesday?
It's Wednesday.
On Wednesdays, we
wear pink.
I'm not wearing pink.
I'm wearing pink.
Literally.
Yes, I am.
Pink.
Pink. And then my pajama pants are pink as well.
I'm wearing gray and black. Because
Yes.
I need more parties tonight. Will be tonight that I won't fall for yay.
Anyways, so we don't
Our
have
science project.
on science project. We have the Magic Mixies Pixlings. So this is not the other one where like it has the moon on the top. No, I think we just have
We have the diamond one.
the diamond
We
one.
have the boring one.
What's so special about the one with the moon? It says no scissors. I can't reach it though, so.
It literally says no scissors. You're breaking the rules. You're gonna cut your finger open, like I did. That's a story for another day. I didn't do it on purpose.
So in the last video we did 2 small dolls.
and I cut my finger open. I cut my hand,
Yes.
and it hurt really bad. I didn't cry.
Yeah. So the first video it's gonna be in a playlist I'll just put in like Christmas presents.
Of 2024.
No, just Christmas presents because I'm probably gonna add more to it.
Oh yeah.
It says remove.
It does. You just pull up.
There we go. Okay.
No, you don't do that yet.
Not yet? Okay.
Just read the instructions.
Where is the instructions?
Did I throw them away? Alright, oh yeah, I did. So these were the instructions, and I tore them to shreds. Okay, step number 1 is to add the magic, this is number 1, liquid, number 2, mix, then number 3, toy. Oh, those are the instructions.
No, this is just content.
What the fart? How am I supposed to put this together? This is number 2. And this is number 5. They're both liquids, by the way.
Okay, so we did something wrong.
I think so.
I think we actually... Did we remove this? Or no?
Yeah.
This part right here?
The plastic, yes. Wait, there's a caution thing on it. Down at the bottom. It only comes with 2 packs, and they're both liquids.
Okay, so we definitely ruined...
Our science project.
Yes. You were supposed to pull it down.
It came apart. I'm sorry.
Where is it? Where do we put it?
Underneath. I can look it up on YouTube.
Can you?
I'll look up a tutorial on how to do it.
This was our fault. We didn't, do it properly. We're so sorry, guys. I wish it was where's the other part? There it is.
Okay, I'm gonna look up the tutorial real quick. Okay, I found a tutorial from the official toy website on YouTube.
Okay. Turn it up.
Flow from waterfalls and fountains. Pixlings spread magic moments and joy throughout all the land. It's your turn to create a magical potion and reveal your magic Mixies Pixling. Getting ready. The first thing you'll need to do is open the Pixlings packaging. Tear the packaging here and remove everything from inside. You'll find all the ingredients you need inside the...
Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. You're missing stuff.
I'm missing stuff. What?
You're missing 4 and 6. You're missing our 2 little packets. You're missing stuff.
I'm missing stuff, guys.
Wait.
And I just opened it, too.
Wait. Did anything, like, fall out?
I don't think so. I grabbed everything.
You don't have bag 4 or 6. We have the 2 liquids, but we're supposed to have like 2 little things.
Guys, I'm missing stuff.
We can't do this because she's missing 2 ingredients to our science project.
Yes.
So I think that's it for now. Until we find, maybe pick it up. Maybe you dropped it. Maybe somehow you missed it and you dropped it.
No, I don't think so.
Maybe I threw it away on accident when I was throwing all the stuff away. Oops,
No.
that's all new trash.
No, that's all it came with, guys.
I think there's stuff at the store, but we can't go
Because it's Christmas.
So I think
You know what? Let's see what we can do without
I
it.
think I don't really think the other stuff is important. I just think the liquid's important.
Okay, we'll
Because
just
doesn't
continue.
that stuff dissolve in the liquid anyway?
Yeah.
Okay. We're missing.
Make sure you have a jug full of water. You'll need it to complete the...
Are you shitting me? I'm so mad. I don't care anymore. How about stupid rules?
I saw it. I wasn't supposed to. Guys.
We didn't even have to do the science experiment.
No.
Like,
But it's just fun. We'll do it anyways.
we'll add the water and crap. We'll
Yeah.
add all the liquids. Can't have the solids.
Yeah. So, we're gonna do this without the other stuff we don't have. I am sad that we didn't get everything we needed. Because we are missing 4 and 6, I believe.
Reveal. Potion making can get messy. So before you get started, place your potion bottle on a plate for easy cleanup. Once you've done that, remove the paper ring and pull the acetate tab. Make sure you do not remove the lid. All of the ingredients will be added through the lid's opening. Mixing the elixir. The first ingredient you will be adding is the Pixling Power Elixir. Ask an adult to cut the packet on the cut line and...
Okay, so step 1.
Hey Diva, I have the water.
I found it!
Yay!
Yay!
Okay, we found
Oh my gosh!
It was buried.
Dude, the steps are right here.
I have the water. I got the water.
Okay, we have it right here. We don't need the video.
I'm gonna drink some water.
Okay. Alright. Do not remove lid. Remove the lid. Okay, I thought we didn't have the steps. Anyways, don't do what I did. Alright. Step 2. Add this thing.
I'm choking on
And
water.
cut it.
Wait, I think you just poured in. I guess you're supposed to pour it in. Wait, where is it going?
Hold on.
Where is it going? Wait. Oh. Well, that's really late. It's like evaporating.
Oh my gosh.
How low can you go?
Actually, I already cut it there. We're not supposed to cut it that low. There we go.
Oh, there we go. Now that's what's supposed to happen. That's just step one. Just pour all the purple liquid in.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, they can't even see it.
They can't even see it either way. Because you still have the plastic thing on the other side on.
That's the whole point of that plastic part.
Oh.
Okay, so here we go. Here we are. So I'm so sorry y'all couldn't see that. Okay, so I added purple liquid to it. What's next?
We need that water. Because the tutorial said we need water and I keep drinking it. Add the water.
Step 2. Fill the potion bottle to the line of the water.
With the water? I'm gonna drink some of it, so hopefully it's enough water.
We need more.
I probably shouldn't have drinking it. I was hungry.
Because here's the water line.
That's a lot. And we're adding in that purple liquid too? It's a lot of liquid.
Yeah.
And then like the 2 solids.
So, I know what pixeling I got, but he doesn't know. Nobody knows. You guys don't know. He doesn't know, but I know, because I'm the one who bought it. I actually bought it. And it just made him look like he got it.
I got the water.
Okay, awesome. So, we're going to fill it to
The fill line.
this fill line right here.
It's a lot of
It's
water.
cold.
Yeah, because the water's cold. Wait, so water's supposed to be like lukewarm or something? Oh, what the heck? Why can't my hand look like that earlier? Give me that, I'm thirsty.
A little more.
Let's pass the fill line.
Whoops. It's past the fill line. Oh. Well, here it is.
Oh well, it's supposed to fill to the top anyway.
Yeah.
When you add the other thing of purple liquid.
Yes.
Okay, what's next?
Step 4, I believe.
Step 4, sprinkle in the gold dust. Bag number 4.
I'm gonna cut it.
Oh, you have to. Oh, I already know who you have.
No, you don't.
Yeah? Look. It literally tells you in the instructions what character you're getting.
Okay.
Drink your water.
Yeah, guys, drink water.
It's really good sometimes. I'm scared it's gonna go everywhere. Is it actually golden dust or is it just like pieces of paper
Pieces of paper.
that are gonna dissolve in the water?
Yes. If I could actually get them out.
Just gonna dump them into your hand? Alright. Not a single one went in. Are they going in?
There's a mover in there.
Oh, one went in.
Yeah, the other ones went in there. And that's all of them.
And then you add the blue bag next.
There's actually one more in there.
Oh.
Yeah.
So then you add the bag number 5.
There we go.
It's slowly falling. Okay, it hit the ground. We don't see it anymore.
Alright, then what's next? This one.
Blue bag, like I said, like 6 times. This time, now that we know how to do it,
Yeah.
the liquid should come out. Are you kidding me? You don't open it like a chip bag. That's good enough.
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. That one's like not even like mixing. It's like it's a different liquid. It's not mixing with the water very nicely.
Okay. Then what's next?
Dragon egg.
Add the dragon egg.
Ooh. Remove the gold ring. You already removed the gold ring.
Huh?
Remove the gold ring.
Oh, whoops.
This is why we should have looked a lot longer.
I know. I accidentally took the gold ring off.
Oh. Turn the crystal gem until it stops. At least you can still do that. Yeah, just put it back on. Just put it back on. Okay, that's great. It never happened. What are you guys talking about? Like,
Yeah, it never
That
happened.
was always on there.
Yeah, and then drop it in the dragon egg.
You can't even see it go in, so you don't even know if it went in or not.
Right, okay.
Now turn it until it stops.
Remove the gold ring.
Oh yeah, and then turn it until it stops. And then press down 2 times. Wow! It worked! Release and wait for a minute for the magic to turn your potion clear. It's working!
It's turning clear,
Oh,
almost.
that is wonderful. They couldn't even see that. It worked.
All you was just hit the bottom.
It worked.
Yeah.
Open sesame seed.
Anyways, I got the dragon girl. Oh my gosh. Actually, she's really pretty.
I hate the magic things. Oh,
Hey.
there's
Then we'll just turn around. Then I turn her back around.
so much water in there. Like the only thing that. Ew, was she wet? Is she wet?
No.
Oh no, she's like in a tube.
Yeah.
She's in like a water bottle kind of thing.
Alright.
Oh,
Oh.
oh, she is wet. Her shoes are wet.
Oh my gosh. Guys, my thing actually leaked in there.
A science experiment gone wrong.
Get her out of there.
The title of this video, Magic Pixlings gone wrong. Ew, she's like wet. She's probably wet. Oh no. It's not even purple anymore. How does that happen? It really is a science experiment. Well,
Can you get your hand in there?
you want. Ew, it's wet. Ew.
Sorry. Oh, so she's wet. That's my bad. That's my fault.
Oh, my hand went all the way in. Luckily, the bottle is wet. So it's nice and slippery. Can I just, like, plop this back in there? It won't even sink. Because of gravity. Oh. Because I'm defying gravity.
Anyways, she's a little wet. But you know what?
She's really cute.
She is cute nonetheless. So we got the little dragon girl. I forgot what her name is. Use the golden ring as a doll stand.
Here it is. Here's the golden ring.
My hand is sticky.
Ew, do not touch her then. I'm gonna make her sticky. You know what this reminds me of? Enchantimals. You got me wet.
Sorry.
And what do you do, like sticker on the top of the bottle? Whoa. Come on, girl, let me see that forehead. Don't be shy. Oh, they like glued the hair down. That is not just gel, that is also glue. Like, don't be shy, let me see that forehead. And then voila. And then you can stick her back on, I think. Stick the ring on first. And then stick her to the thing. We did a lot of science today.
We did.
Literally though.
There's the doll. We did lip gloss, and then we did the pixeling. I'm gonna go wash my hands. This was the collector's guide. You have created Amber, the dragon pixeling.
It's not lip gloss, it's lip balm, but it turned into lip gloss.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave this out to dry.
I need to wash my hands too. I have lip.
We're gonna go wash our hands.
Okay.
So, thank you guys so much for kind of watching.
Oh, I licked my lip and it started burning. It's not good for your tongue.
No. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching whatever we could do in our shenanigans. I hope like, comment, subscribe. I'm sorry you guys couldn't really see the work happening.
Oh my gosh.
I'm so
it's
sorry.
burning.
But hey, in the end, you get to see how pretty the doll is.
If I get 3rd-degree burns, I'm gonna sue Yummyland.
You mean MGA?
Whatever.
Don't actually do that.
It burns though.
That's your fault. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry that you guys couldn't see it. That's a problem on my part. I probably will get the moon one. I'll probably buy that one. I probably might film that on my phone with the help of my little brother. Helping me film that. And, yeah. We're gonna stop filming
For now.
until next year.
ASMR. Hair salon. Next video coming out next year.
No,
No ASMR.
I'm not really an ASMR channel. Anyways,
For now.
like, comment, subscribe, click that notification bell, and
Comment your favorite magical animal.
yes, comment your favorite fantasy creature, and I'll see you guys next year. Bye.